headshot loading.
Yellow.
Who are they?
Legit snipers. One's like 11 FKDR, another one is sniper tagged a lot. Okay, dude, this guy sues me.
Defense.
Jesus fuck, dude.
Just fucking.
Oh, they're cheating.
They are cheating. Get an ice bridge.
I'll try.
For after Aqua.
Okay, I got one.
I can't get them. I got them both low.
Should be able to get them both here.
Green bit's gone, but yellow's going. Green's going really high in yellow.
Oh my god, they're so annoying, bro. Okay, I got them both.
Okay, yeah, split. I'll come with you.
Okay. Yeah, I'll ice bridge. I'll place blocks.
I was gonna think like
I have fireball in
yeah,
it. I have fireball in a tier 3. Hold on.
I can stall them. Go
Yeah, do that.
Yeah, he's scaffolding right to us.
Holy shit, dude. Wait, he walked off. He walked off.
Walked off? Nice.
Okay, dude, I'm dead.
Make a nice video if we win this.
If we do.
What's the hopper? Sparking Terror, right? I block trapped it.
Oh, nice. I think it's flat fall.
Yeah, it's flat ball. Okay, I'm stalling.
Okay.
I can skip it.
I have 2 fireballs. Maybe you could let him skip.
I lost trades.
Shit, okay.
We don't have. Oh, it's gonna fireball fly over, right? That's just happened to me before.
I don't think that's possible. I have 2 fireballs. Oh, oh, he's dead, he's dead.
Yeah, no velo is so fucking nice.
Yeah. Hoppers are so beatable, dude. Okay, we can definitely win this. I think they're gonna go back with diamonds. Oh, that's not good, actually.
Should I shout the cheating?
You can try, yeah. Oof, he's scaffolding. I'm gonna just try. He's not gonna let me skip. What the? I'm stalling them right now.
Okay, yeah, he's just scaffolding right to you.
Oh my gosh, dude. I'm not
That
doing.
fireball got him.
Oh, nice. Do you have water or
I'm
something?
going to green base, I think.
Okay, yeah, you can do that.
Yeah, he's scaffolding over.
Is he going to you?
Yeah, he's going to me.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go high though. Yeah.
Try to take the trap if they have one. I have a tier 3 again.
Oh, he's at least these. But yeah, there's one skipping. It's not the
Oh.
hopper.
Okay.
Hopper blocked himself. I got fireball down by the hopper. I'm dead.
I got the guy. I don't have a lot of stuff though. I can't really do. Holy shit, dude.
Oh god, he's getting diamond. I'm going to get ours on the other side.
Alright. Oh, he's skipping me.
Do I have to run back? I'm ready
Yeah.
back.
Wait, I think I just have the bed. I have the bed.
Fireball. I don't think I win trades here. He's pre-gapping, he's gonna nuke. He fucking nuked.
Oh my god. Can you get out?
I can kill him.
Are you good? Nice, bro. Holy shit, dude. Fucking losers.
Okay, that was fucking one hit. I had this shit happen yesterday. I queued like the #1 UHC guy.
Wait, can you clip that?
It's like a hop. Yeah. He was hopping on a 160, and I fucking got hit reg while he was out of gaps. Fucking horrible.
Holy shit, dude. Can I party them? I want to BM them.
That's a fun. If this is a 40 FKDR game, as long as you don't die.
Oh, we're not gonna die. Everyone here sucks. Bro, that's so embarrassing. How do you fucking losers, bro?
Hopper's just so fucking beatable. He fucking nuked and still lost the 1v1.
Loser, bro.
I think he did.
I have no idea.
Yeah, our bed isn't even open. He just nuked it.
Okay, I'm gonna slow bridge to mid.
Got sharp. Yeah, nice bridge. I'll just fucking curl you up. Make sure you always have. I can take that.
Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't want to talk after losing that as well. Fucking loser, dude. So shit, dude. How do you lose with fucking blatant cheats? Kill yourself at this point. Failure.
Yeah,
End
man.
it all. Like, actually end it all, bro. Yeah. Party invite expires. Nice.
Yeah, like fucking. It was beatable, I think only because there was only like one fucking scaffolding nuker. Like if they were both, we probably lost that. But Hopper's so beatable when there's one.
Come on, join the party, bro. He
More
friended me.
pathetic that they saw this party. They saw me as your teammate. Thought it worth hopping.
You probably knew that you're an all. I don't know.
I'm not really tagged on anything though.
Yeah, you're not.
It's actually nice. I haven't like any tags. The account that I snipe a lot. That's this.
Thanks. Yeah, we should be good.
Okay. I'm gonna go get more diamond. Play it like a dick. Yeah, blue and red still in their first rush.
Why are they removing me, bro?
What do you mean?
The barking terror guy added me.
Send over a friend request to both. Terror 97. Flatfall. They accept. We accept it.
Tell them that they're dog shit, please. Thank you.
Your dog shit. Nice loss.
Oh my god. Can you help with?
I can drop hers.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I'm gonna. Oh. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, this should definitely be the game. What a game to end it off on.
Thank God you had fucking pupil tag, because my shit would not have loaded. It did not load any stats in the game.
Yeah, that guy was. That guy had like a 2,000 sniper score.
Damn.
I don't know how you managed to do that, but
We're gonna fucking throw fireballs all the game. Yeah, nice bridge. If you need.
no, I'm good. Okay, I'm fine. I didn't panic.
You win this?
GG,
Yeah,
dude.
I'm back.
Nice. Cool game, dude. GG.
It was nice. One final.
Yep, 40 FKDR.
One
Let's
final
go.
was the fucking hopper.
Yep,
Let's
40
hope my clip
FKDR.
thinks hopper didn't glitch out. Not very
Nice.
reliable.
Finally, bro.